Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to download and install this Flow launcher for your Windows 11 to help you to quick file search and app launcher for your Windows 11. So firstly, you just need to go to your start menu and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After open CMD, you just need to go to this website and click on this copy button over here. This is for Windows, Wingate install Flow launcher, and after that right click on your command prompt and press enter from your keyboard, and it will take some time to install Flow launcher on your Windows 11 computer. So here you just need to type Y and press enter. Now as you can see, Flow launcher is downloading from GitHub website. So after done, you just need to minimize this window. If you go to your start or search menu, if you over here, Flow launcher app. Now you just need to click on next. Now here is a launch key. As you can see, launcher hotkey Alt plus space. Now here is some hotkeys, as you can see. Also you can enable this on your system startup, and after that click on done. Now I'll press Alt plus space. It will show over here. Now I can search anything. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.